Hi kids, it's me, Airam. Today I'm going to show what a pulley means. A pulley has 4 parts: a groove, a wheel, an axle and a rope. We can use pulleys for lifting heavy objects easily. There are 3 types of pulleys: movable pulley, compound pulley and a fixed pulley. Movable pulley means the groove will move but the rope will not move. Compound pulley means the 2 pulleys are mixed together, the fixed pulley and the movable pulley. Fixed pulley means the groove will not move and the rope will move. I made a fixed pulley using paper cup, thick rope, 2 skewer sticks, tape, glue, chart paper and paper. Using my pulley, I can lift heavy objects easily.